Hello, good to be back, and I've got a special demonstration for you today. This is an oil painting taken from one of my favorite little villages in the Western Cape. A lovely little scene, a beautiful landscape, lots of color, lots of light, and I've decided to make this a longer demonstration, more of a free-form demonstration. You can watch as I go along. But mostly it's just so you can see the process I'm following and the brushwork and how to finish off the painting as well. I think a lot of you like to see exactly how that's done. And if nothing else, just to enjoy watching this painting come together. I had a lot of fun painting it, and I was happy with the end result. It was just a couple of hours in the afternoon, so something you can do pretty quickly, as they call it, alla prima painting, completing it in one go with some nice juicy oil paint. And I hope you enjoy the video.